National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near South Beloit to Timberlane to near Rochelle, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. This line of storms has a history of producing 70 miles per hour wind gusts in the Rockford area. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Elgin, Crystal Lake, Carpentersville, Algonquin, Lake, Indiana, The Hills, McHenry, Woodstock, Hunley, Campton Hills, Fox Lake, Harvard, Island Lake, Baringo, Cary, Pingree Grove, Gilberts, West Dundee, Hampshire, Johnsburg, and Lake Eure. Including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 32 and 56. This includes Elgin Community College, McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, and Moraine Hills State Park. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north central and northeastern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.